and working without supervision is all that a factory-crafted house ever sees at the building site. In terms of construction time, erecting and closing a house from the elements takes less than 2 days, and occupancy follows in less than 15 working days after delivery to the building site. Construction schedules are reliably established by the factory as part of its production schedule. A tight, reliable timetable permits just-in-time deliveries and maximum utilization of building crews and construction equipment. Coupled with speedy construction, a tight schedule translates into cheaper construction financing. For a final example, let us look at construction waste. Factory-crafted construction minimizes waste at every turn. Finger jointing, laminates, composite building elements, and wasteless budding techniques for insulation and sheet goods are examples. Unavoidable waste is either sold as a byproduct, like wood chips, or burned for energy. Good waste management has its rewards. Virtually no waste accumulates at the building site. Waste generated at the factory means income, typically about $1,700 per house. To answer our second question, could this process help housing affordability in America? Let us now consider first costs. For this illustration, we assume that first costs, other than direct construction costs, are the same for two identical houses. We also assume that these costs total around $50,000 for the conventionally built version. The factory-crafted model costs exactly 25% less, a typical value, and that all cost savings are passed on to the home buyer. Here is how the resulting $12,500 cost saving can translate into affordability. In this example, the qualifying income for a mortgage loan on the factory-crafted version will be $3,906 lower. The buyer will also need $3,676 less upfront cash to consummate the purchase. Monthly occupancy costs, another factor in affordability, are largely a function of quality in a house. One measure of true quality is energy efficiency, because it mirrors precision and tightness of construction. Although built to the same energy standards, our two houses will still consume different amounts of energy for heating and cooling because of the differences in precision achievable on a building site and in a modern craft factory. Depending on local climate and utility rates, the factory-crafted house offers further savings, reflected in the occupant's monthly energy bills. Values shown are for two houses built to identical energy standards. However, if the factory-crafted house were built to prevailing Swedish standards, these savings would almost double to $108, $156, and $300 respectively. Unfortunately, to solve the problem of housing affordability will take much more than an economical production system. However, all other things being equal, the factory-crafted house can make a significant contribution to affordable housing in America. In this brief summary of the economic benefits of factory-crafted home construction, we emphasized the potential of this process in bringing to the American homebuyer better housing for less. There are other potential benefits we have not even touched on, like economic development opportunities or the creation of stable and well-paying jobs. But that is a subject for another day.